See, we get our remote. This generator comes remote start as well. So if our remote fails, our button start fails, we still have our into the wild. Hello and welcome back to Campfire Fusion. My name is Ryan, and for today I'm going to do an unboxing and give my first impression of the Genmax 7500 dual fuel generator. I'm going to let you guys see why I think this is the best generator, give you the specs, and let you know why I chose to purchase this one, the first of this type in Jamaica. Now, let's get to it. I'm not going to make this video a long one. I'm going to cut this box open. Still in the shipping plastic. After the experience of the terrible Hurricane Melissa last year, it really opened my eyes. That is why I chose to purchase a generator. Why I chose this one is the fact that it has dual fuel. So, as I stated earlier on, it uses gas as well as propane. It has CO detect. Just two of the main features, as well as the price. Now, I purchased this at Sam's Club in the United States. The price was $900 US plus tax at the time, and I thought that was a great deal. So let's look at the specs. The Genmax 7500 is a 6000 watt dual fuel portable inverter. Is an exclusive offering from Sam's Club. Some of the key specifications are starting 7500 watts running at 6000 watts for the gas, and for the propane it starts at 6000 and runs at 5500. The engine is a 312cc 4-cycle, and it has low idle technology for fuel efficiency. Runtime is approximately 8.5 hours at load and 3.3 gallons fuel for the tank. Now, one of the most impressive thing about this generator you see here, as though it's a good size, is the fact that the decibels stated from the company is 62 to 63 decibels. And I consider that as being relatively quiet. Now for the outlets, another impressive thing about this, for the outlets we get a 50 amps, which is awesome. Getting a 50 amps on this, it's really awesome. This can be used on our RV, and we can get 240 volts, right, which is really good. We get our 120, right, GFCI there, or 30 amps. And when you look, we see we have here on and off button, right, low idle, USB. We have our start engine stop, our push reset. We have our parallels, so we can join this generator to another one like it, right, if we need more power. And here we have our switch 120 only, our 120/240 there. I mean, this is just amazing. And here we have our display. So this is gonna give our volts, right, our oil level, gas, everything will be there on the display while running this generator. And one of the big things, see, we get our remote. This generator comes remote start as well. So if our remote fails, our button start fails, we still have our pull start. And we see here it tells us the grade oil we need to use, 10W30. Go around this side, you see our exhaust. That's our exhaust right there. We have more instruction. We get our booklet, but this is gonna be simple for me to set up. Right, I know I'm just gonna have to connect the battery. Now see we have our tank. Let's pull this righty tighty, lefty loosey. Gives our full level there. Now the material, from what I've been feeling, it's of good quality. This is plastic, here is metal, but it's of good quality. Now it comes with 2 wheels to the back. This weighs approximately 110 pounds, but for one individual to lift, won't be a problem. See, lift, and we can pull it on the wheels. It has a telescopic angle, which is just awesome. So this was just a open box and first impression, and I can let you know my impression on this. I really like it, right? From the moment I investigated, right, I realized that Sam's Club was selling a very, very good item, and 99% of persons who bought it has good review. The only 2 reviews I saw giving it a bad review seemed to be persons that did not understand how to function this here generator. It's a quality generator, Genmax 7500, dual fuel. So yeah, it's a good investment, especially now with what is going on in the world. Right, power outage is not gonna be only by storms, right, but too much war, too much confusion, and this is mobile enough for me. I can pull it, put it on my trolley, put it in my vehicle, and it will be all good. Gas, propane gives me an option. So tell me what you think in the comment section, guys. What do you think about the Genmax 7500? Let me know what type of generator you have, what brand you prefer. So until I see you guys again, I'll give feedback on my first use, let you guys know how it operates. I know it will be good.